Hey guys! Hey y'all! Hey everybody! Okay, so today we're back with another makeup tutorial, and guess what? We got a bunch of new makeup. Like this palette from BH, can you see it? It's the Blacklight Highlight 6-color palette, and we also got some Foil Eyes 28-color eyeshadow palette. Okay, so that's that. Oh, we have some more makeup that I got. We got, I don't even know what this is called, Diamond Dazzlers Loose Foil Pigment. It's like a silvery color. And then I got two more of those, if I can find the other one. Okay, we got this one, which is in Brilliant, and this one, which is Radiant. Okay, so we got those three. And then I got some highlight. Oh, I also got this e.l.f. setting spray. Oh, I got glitter glue, I guess is what you call it. Glitter and shadow. Haul that I'm going to share with y'all because y'all are like my family. Okay, we got these three highlights from BH. See, these three, and I got pink, blue, and silver. Okay, is there anything else that I got that was new? Oh, I got this highlighter from Maybelline Master Chrome. Be it. I think that is it. There's glitter all over my hand. I don't know if you can see that. So we're going to rub that around and put that all over the face. Okay. There's something on my phone. Ew, is that deodorant? Oh. You gross. When I do it, is it gross? It's gross on my phone, okay? Don't judge me. Okay. What the Beauty Wonder. Guess what we're going in with today? So, oh wait, this one's a new one. Here we go. Oh, I also got this new foundation. It's from CVS. But yeah, I already have this one I'm still using, so I'm going to use this one today. It's in the shade 102 Fair Porcelain. Because I have porcelain skin. Okay, I'm just going to dust some of this on the hand. Give me 1 second, because it takes forever to come out. Okay, there we go. Close that up. Hold on, guys. Dab, dab, and dab, dab, dab. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering why I haven't been using my Infallible Total Coverage Foundation, it's because I live in Louisiana and it's hot as hell outside. So, yeah. When you put on foundation that don't want to stay on your face, it kind of sweats into your eyes, and that's not cute. So, yeah, we're going to be using the Fit Me matte one. Okay, I think we've got our foundation all the way on. Okay, so now we need to do concealer. Okay, so we're gonna pop that top off. Do that. Okay, do some on the nose. Come down here. See, and this one still isn't light enough, but like I really like it, so I'm just going to continue using it. Okay, I'm going to dab that out. She doing there? Y'all, I literally have my makeup all over the floor. Okie dokie, so we're just gonna take our beauty blender and dab into this. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to go in with some blush and then some of our Lumaglotion. I'm going to be using CoverGirl today, the really old one that smells like my grandma, and I wanted to tap into the darker shade. It smells so good. Y'all, I was just putting any color on my cheeks. I feel like I'm tapping into it way too much. Okay, I guess that's good. Now we're going to do our Lumaglotion. Okay, put a little bit on the nose, just a tiny dab. Now that that's done, okay, we're going to go in with some highlighter. So we get to use the new palette, this one right here. And we're going to tap into, trying to decide. I think we're going to do Strobe, which is this one. So tap, tap, and just dot on the cheeks. Wow. Oh my goodness. That is some kind of bright. Just 2 taps is all it takes. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I'm in love with this palette. Okay. Okie dokie. Now we're done with highlight, and we can do the eyes. Actually, I think I'm gonna add some of this Master Crown one. Ugh, it won't open. Okay, there we go. Just going to dab into it a little bit and then smear on the cheeks because we want a blinding highlight. Work with me. Okay. Also to bring that light like down to earth. Okie dokie. We got our highlight on, and we're going to go in with the eyes. And of course we're going to go into the Bella Silent Night palette first to get that transition shade. Okay, so we're going to tap into the same shade I always do, this one right here. We're going to put that all over the eye. Oh, by the way, I got some new brushes. They're by MUA Professional. Take the crease brush right here, and we're going to tap into this dark brown shade right here. And we're going to start putting that. Let me do this. Crease. Done. We're going to go in with the B35D palette. Hold on, I'm going to leave this open up here just in case I need it. And we're going to open this one up. And we're going to spray some setting spray on this brush. And we're going to tap into the white so it can whiten up the lower lid. Just need to blend this out. I think it looks pretty good, guys. See, apparently all I needed was some better brushes. Okay. Now we're going to smoke out the lower lash line using this brown right here. Tap, tap, and here we go. Okay, now that we've got that done, we're going to go in with let's do the blue. We're going to do the blue highlight in the shade Chill Pill. We're going to just try to decide what the brush I need to use after this. I'm going to just dab this on. See, the white helps make it pop more. And we're going to go back in with this a second time after I smear it all out. Okay. Now we're just going to go back in on this eye. going to take the silver and I'm going to put it on the middle of the eye. Not like my eyeball, but my lid. Okay, just going to dab that on. Okay, now I just need to blend it out. Close, dang it. Let that dry a little bit. Glitter off my brush. I think it's scarred for life, but you know, whatever. I think we can do eyeliner now. And I'm going to be going in with the not that one. Well, yeah, we'll do that one. Okay, it's the Flashy Copper G102 Avon Glimmer Stick. And we is going to put this all over here to match the brown. Done, we're going to go in with some mascara and we're going to put it on over. Okay, now we've got our mascara done. We just need to do our lipstick and we shall be done. Should I do a dark lip or a lighter lip? Let's do a red lip. Okay. Okay. Wipe this off my finger. And we are done for the day with our makeup. Oh, look at this. Hold on 1 second. So, yeah, that's it for today, guys. Here's the final look. Okay, hope y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.